In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions on a file shared in a Microsoft Teams chat. When you share a file in a Teams conversation, especially from OneDrive or SharePoint, the people in that chat usually get automatic access. But sometimes you might need to tighten or expand that access later on. Maybe you only want certain people to edit, or you want others to view without making changes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to adjust those permissions in a clear, simple way. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat where you originally shared the file. This can be a one-to-one chat or a group chat. Once you're in the right conversation, look for the message where the file was shared. You should see the file name with its icon, like a Word document, Excel sheet, PowerPoint, or PDF. Hover your mouse over that shared file. You'll see a few options appear, such as Open, More Options, or something similar depending on your version. Click on the More Options icon, usually shown as 3 dots next to the file name. From this menu, choose the option that opens the file in either OneDrive or the browser. Teams stores your shared files in OneDrive or SharePoint behind the scenes, and that's where the detailed permission settings live. Once the file opens in your browser, look for the sharing or permissions controls. This is often labeled Share, or you might see an icon that looks like a link or a person with a plus sign. Click that, and a panel will open showing who currently has access to the file and what level of access they have. Here you can adjust the permissions. You might see options like Can Edit or Can View. If you want someone to stop editing and only view the file, change their permission from Edit to View. If someone shouldn't have access at all anymore, you can remove them from the access list. You can also use link settings to control whether people can forward the link, whether it works for anyone in your organization, or only for specific people you choose. After making your changes, confirm or save them in that sharing panel. Once saved, the new permissions take effect immediately, even for the file that's already visible in your Teams chat. Anyone in the conversation will now be limited to the access level you've just set. That's all you need to do to change permissions on a file shared in a Teams chat. Take a moment to review who has access whenever you share important documents, so you stay in control of your information.